This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. The battery is located at the front of the engine compartment. Undo the bolt and remove the battery hold-down clamp. Open the battery cover, then slacken the retaining nut and pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. If possible, cover the terminal to prevent accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut and disconnect the positive lead clamp from the battery. Unclip the cover and lift the battery from place. Take care as the battery is heavy. Manoeuvre the battery into position with the terminals at the rear. Clip the cover back into place, then press the positive lead clamp firmly onto the battery positive terminal and tighten the nut securely. Reconnect the negative lead clamp and tighten the retaining nut. It's a good idea to apply a little petroleum jelly to the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. Close the cover, then refit the hold-down clamp and securely tighten the retaining bolt. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.